Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming administrative control and any data you need to keep. Once you've backed up bookmarks and passwords, open Chrome and click your profile icon at top right. Alternatively, navigate to Accounts. Google.com. Sign into the Google account you plan to remove so the account management options appear. Make sure you're removing the correct account by checking the email address displayed. This prevents accidental deletion of the wrong profile. Now move to the Account Management area to find removal options. Next, remove the account from Chrome or the Windows account list. In Chrome, go to Profile Sync and Google Services, manage your Google account, then click Sign Out or Remove this person. If the account is tied to Windows, open Settings, then Accounts, then Email and Accounts. Select the Google account and pick Remove. Confirm any prompts that warn about losing local data. If sync was enabled, make sure you have a backup before disconnecting so you don't lose bookmarks or passwords. Finish by reopening Chrome and confirming the account no longer appears in Profiles. If the account persists, clear browser cookies and site data, then restart Chrome and try removal again. For stubborn cases, sign in with another administrator account or use an incognito window to access accounts. Google.com and remove the account there. If you get errors, check network restrictions or corporate policies that may block removal. Once removed, verify sync is off and ensure local data you wanted kept is intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.